That's all you get for today. I'm sorry, I know you're hungry. That's all you get for now. So, good morning. It's about 8 a.m. something. Just put in gas and we are heading to the dog pound to get our new family edition, which is Timmy. It's still a working name, although my folks insist that it's a great name, but I don't intend to listen to Timmy for the next God knows how long. So we're gonna have a nice discussion, or a fight as you will, about what to name him. But I'm definitely, although it kind of suits him, but still I would prefer it if we didn't name him just Timmy. The name doesn't work.
I am the man, so I travel back in time. I have everything I want.
That's Timmy. Timmy, Tishi, beženia, beženia. So we have Timmy. We're going home. Timmy. When we finally got home with Timmy, we had a long discussion and decided that the best name for him actually would be Odin. So he's been with us for a little over a month. He's a beautiful and amazing little dog, and he has fit right in with our doggies. There was a few days of little tension with his new brother, since he's the fourth one to come. So this is Lobo. He was a bit jealous for a few days, but soon enough they started playing and having fun together. So now all four of our doggies enjoy playing in the yard, getting scratches and cuddling, going for long walks in nature, and really having fun as much as possible. So Odin, welcome to the family. So cute. Look at that face. Look at that face.